The icing on top of the cake for us, though, was seeing for the first time this so very impressive metro station. Not forgetting as well the renowned astronomer and mathematician Mirza Ulugh Beg. The whole theme of this station depicts space travel and exploration, honouring the Soviet cosmonauts of the time. Yuri Gagarin was the first man in space, but did you know the first woman in space was also Russian? Very brave people, I should imagine, at the time. The station's black and blue colour scheme, by the way, depicts the Earth's atmosphere.